Our half-day Rack & Gorge tour departs Queenstown and passes through the edge of town before we see some stunning scenery.
With the Rack & Gorge tour in the morning, you'll get a morning tea and a light lunch included.
At Lynchford, you can have a go at gold panning at this former gold mine. Shortly after leaving Lynchford, the train starts to climb at inclines up to 1 in 16, making this the steepest steam haul in the Southern Hemisphere. It uses the rack and pinion system, invented by Dr. Rahman Apt. It is one of very few working examples of this system operating anywhere in the world. At the top of the steep saddle, we pause at Rhinadina, where a footbridge over the track offers a brilliant spot to get some photos of the train. The King River Gorge is a highlight of the trip, so have your camera ready as we descend clinging to the embankment high above this wild river. Double Barrel is where we turn the locomotives using a manual turntable. Always worth a photo. Our loco crew members are always happy to have a chat and help with that special selfie. There's also a delightful short walk through the rainforest, where you'll see some of Tasmania's famous tree species growing in the wild. Back on board, we relate more stories of the railway, the Wild West feuds between the mining pioneers and their railway companies, as well as the railway's eventual demise, its reconstruction as a must-do visitor experience in the region, and its importance to the local community. The total duration of the Rack & Gorge tour is 4 hours. There are departures all year round.